Welcome to M&K Tutorials. Hello and welcome to M&K Tutorials. Today we bring you a video on how to tell when your phone is tracked or monitored. So this video will tell you what to do if your phone is monitored, how to remove that, and then we'll give you an example of how a phone is monitored. Now, if you happen to observe any of the following signs on your phone, then probably your phone is monitored. The first of them is when your phone becomes excessively slow and extremely hot. It tells you that a malware or a spyware is running in the background. Okay. So, 2. Apps you didn't install or pictures you didn't shoot. If you happen to see any app on your phone or pictures that you didn't snap, then it tells you that someone is snapping them for you and someone is installing the apps for you. The next one is if you open Google Play Store and then you go to Play Protect and find out that it is off and you did not turn it off, then probably someone turned it off to install a dangerous app on your phone. D. Internet data or bundle gets exhausted even when not in use. So if your data is unreasonably getting exhausted, then it means that your app uses your internet data for upload. Okay. If you check and there's no any system update, then probably your phone is hacked or monitored. Now GPS read all the time. Now you have to know this very carefully because Google Maps also uses GPS. Okay, but if you happen to see it frequently, then it means that someone is checking or tracking your location. Now, if applications open and close anyhow and you don't have control over them, and there are so many pop-ups on your phone screen, it's another sign. Also, if you observe or notice your camera flash turning on when not in use, then probably someone is turning it on for you. And lastly, if you have someone giving you very accurate information about yourself, let's say about your dressing, maybe what you are wearing, your location, etc., and you marvel, then probably the person is tracking your phone or monitoring you. Now, ways in which your phone can be tracked. So these are the various ways in which tracking can be done. The first of them is IP tracking or Internet Protocol tracking. Now, when you are browsing or streaming from an insecure website or you connect to a public Wi-Fi, then people get access to your location through your IP address. Okay, so that's the first of them. And then the second one is what you call phishing. Well, sounds like catching a fish from water. It works on the same principle though. So what happens is that malicious text messages are sent to you through email or Facebook with links and attachments. Now, once you click these links or you open these attachments, they happen to install apps without your notice that can be used to track your phone. The next is what we call SIM porting or swapping. Initially, it was possible to legally port your SIM card, let's say from Airtel to Vodafone and Vodafone to MTN without any problems. However, for the hackers, they do what we call SIM porting or swapping. They port your number into their own number, and whatever message they send to you goes to them, and they have access to everything that comes to your contact. The fourth and dangerous one is what we call the spyware. By far, it is the most dangerous of all. Someone will purposely install a spyware on your phone. Now, this person must have a direct access to your phone, otherwise, the person won't be able to do that. So, if you have a weak password on your phone, and then the person is able to install the app on your phone without your notice, they can get access to a whole lot of information about you, your SMS text messages, all social media text messages, audios, images, location, live recording through your front and back cameras, etc. Okay, so because this is the most dangerous of them, we are going to give you an example with a video on how spyware works. Okay. So if you would like to watch this video, just proceed. The video is next. Alright, so this is the web page of the tracking. So you can see that we have the dashboard where you have SMS, the things that can be accessed from your phone. your text messages, SMS, MMS, and all that. So if you observe from the phone, that is at the bottom corner there, look at the text message that is on the phone. It's the same text message that is found over here. So these text messages are uploaded every 4 hours. You see the date, the number, and then the address. So the same message, you can check it on the phone over there at the bottom corner. You see the same text message that is found on the website. Okay, so you have pictures. You can go to pictures too. You have SMS again, MMS. You have calls, locations, pictures, apps, calendar, website, and all these things that can be accessed. So it's very dangerous if someone is able to get control of your phone. Your contacts can be accessed, websites you visit, for clipboard, screenshots, even instant messaging. These instant messages are your social media apps. WhatsApp, Facebook, you can see them. Hangout, Skype, Line, Viber, Telegram, Gmail, Instagram, Twitter. Almost all your social media apps can be accessed. And then we have what we call remote control, where the person can control your phone. So let's go to the pictures. So you check on the phone at the bottom corner there, you can see the pictures that are on the phone. So the same pictures can be accessed on the website. It tells you that the person has access to your photos. So you just look at this. The same pictures. You see the file, the same thing on the website that has been uploaded. You see that. The flower that was on the phone, this screenshot, the picture of M&K tutorial screenshot. You have gamepad, the gamepads, the pictures can be accessed through your phone. And another thing is that a person can also block your applications, any of your apps. They can block it and it won't work. So these are the okay, so it's possible that somebody can block your app. Look at this. You have the list of all the apps on your phone. Let's scroll down. So these are all the apps on your phone. Any of them can be blocked. If let's say I want a particular app not to work or respond, I'll just go and then click the plus sign at the edge and then block it. So this is showing 1 to 10 out of 69 apps. So you can click number 2 to list the other apps. So all the apps on your phone can be accessed and blocked. So it is a dangerous thing. You have to ensure that your phone is always well secured. So we also have live viewing and the remote control too. For the live viewing, you can view the person's phone. You can view the person in a video format. You can also record audio and other things. So all these can happen if and only if the person's data is on. And all these viewing of videos will use the person's data. Okay, so you can see over here, you have the video symbol there that is marked with the checker. You have that video, then you have audio recording, and then you have screen recording. So you can record video, audio, and then so let's try the screen recording. Okay, so I will show you what is happening on the phone right now and what will be shown on the website. So check the bottom corner here, you see the phone. As I am scrolling through, the data on the phone is on. So the internet is on. So you can see that the same thing will be displayed on the website. This person can be in Kumasi or any far away place, and then you can be in the opposite side. And the person will be able to view whatever is happening on your phone as far as your internet is on. So you see that the same thing is displayed on the website. Whatever you are doing is shown. Although it delays a little, but it is still showing because it's uploading. It uses your internet bundle or your data to upload this video. Whatever app you open, the person will be able to see it through the live viewing. This is dangerous. So you can imagine what the person can also watch you. Whatever you are doing, the person can watch you through a video. So that is this highlights the danger of spywares, and then you have to be extra careful in your day-to-day activities with your phone. Know who to give your phone to. Okay, so you also have the remote control. Now for the remote control, it allows snapping of pictures and recording of audios too. So you can snap a picture of the person. You can see it over there. Take picture. So you can select the one you want. You can select the front camera or the rear camera, the back camera. See that? And you can also even select the flash from the back camera. So if there's a flash from the back camera, so you can turn on the flash and snap a picture. So if the person is in the dark, that means you can turn on the flash and take a picture in the dark without the person's notice. The person can only see the flash from the phone but won't know how or why it is flashing. That is why we listed the camera flash as one of the signs. You're just holding your phone and all of a sudden the flash is on. You don't know how. It tells you that someone is controlling your phone. If you look at the far right, you also have record audios and other things. So this is all about that video. It's very dangerous. You take notice. So the next video will show you how to remove these particular apps on your phone. So watch out for that video on how to handle phone tracking or phone monitoring. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so now we'll bring you a video on how to stop being tracked. Okay, things to do if your phone is tracked. So first thing to do is to remove suspicious apps. So apps that you are not aware of them, just uninstall them. Just go through your apps and check through. Sometimes you see an app that is named like a system application, something like Wi-Fi, but it is not a system app. So and you didn't install it, just remove it. And some of the apps too, they have blanks, like you see an empty space. Meanwhile, if you click it, something will pop up. So just click it and uninstall. Second one is you turn off your internet if you are not using it. Okay, this is to stop your data from being uploaded to the website. And then the third is to turn off your hotspot, because hotspot exposes your phone to hackers when you are in public. So if you are not using it, or if you are in public where security is very low, just turn your hotspot off. And the next one is to use anti-malware apps, or we call antivirus apps. So use secure apps that can remove the malwares. They are available. So just search on Google, you will find some of those apps. The next is to turn off your GPS if it is not in use. This is to stop people from tracking your location. Okay. And then last and the best result, the best option so far for stopping being tracked is to do a factory reset. Now this option is the best, but it's costly. because you have to do a backup, and then if you don't back up, you lose all your data, you lose your contacts, your WhatsApp chats, and so many things. So you have to do a backup first. Maybe you back up the trusted apps that you know, and then back up your contacts, back up your WhatsApp data, and then you store it in a safe drive, and then you do a factory reset, after which you can restore your data. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you like the video, please subscribe and then give thumbs up.